Baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
The Water Monster in Lake Lunar, Part 4.
I didn't do that. Sheriff Labrador, there's a water monster in Lake Lunar. I am telling the truth.
No, you've been lying. You said you hadn't been out in days, but your shoes were wet and covered in moonlight moss. Only Lake Lunar has moonlight moss. That means you must have been in Lake Lunar recently.
I just...
Cassius mumbled. Beads of sweat formed on his forehead.
You lied about the water monster in Lake Lunar because you wanted to scare others, keeping them from coming to the lake. That way, you could fish in the lake secretly.
Humph! And so what if I want to fish in the lake? This lake is so big! Why shouldn't I fish here?
Cassius got all mad and his face was red with anger.
Cassius, to avoid accidents, no one is allowed to enter Lake Lunar. Come with us to the police station.
You can't catch me! I'm telling you, in all the years I've been fishing secretly, no one's ever caught me!
Then Cassius took a few quick steps back and plunged into the lake.
Hey now, no villain can escape from me!
Officer Doberman jumped into the lake with a plop and swam toward Cassius. Seeing Officer Doberman approaching, Cassius swam as fast as he could, his arms spinning in circles.
Officer Doberman, I am an awesome swimmer! You'll never catch up with me! What's going on?
Cassius suddenly felt his leg being gripped by something and couldn't move.
Help! Help me!
Cassius struggled in the water, flailing his arms around.
Hey now, Cassius, are you all right?
Gliding through the water with quick strokes of his arms, Officer Doberman swam to Cassius's side and dove below the surface.
Hey now, it's an underwater weed!
Officer Doberman held his breath and untangled the weed from around Cassius's leg.
Oh, this is the first time I've ever gotten stuck in the water. Sheriff Labrador, Officer Doberman, thank you for saving me.
Cassius slumped on the shore with his round belly heaving as he continued to spit out the water he had accidentally swallowed.
Cassius, accidents like this could easily happen again in the future if you keep swimming in remote places. There are mud and weeds at the bottom of remote and secluded lakes. It's dangerous. Never go into the water on your own.
I'll never do anything like this again.